And welcome back. Thursday, cooking with Kevin. Well, it's kind of a little bit of a loving leftovers too. What are we cooking? Taco soup. So, I'll be honest, Kelly got this recipe. I'm skeptical. So if it doesn't turn out, there's always skip the dishes, right? Anyways, why is a little bit of loving leftovers? Because we had Sloppy Joe's the other night. And we saved the rest of the meat. So we're going to use that into this taco soup. So what's involved with the taco soup? 1 can pinto beans. Yummy. 1 can of black beans. 1 can of dark red kidney beans. Well, it says 1 can of corn. We don't do canned corn. We got frozen corn, so some corn, some diced tomatoes, 1 can of beef broth, so I'll use one of the cans filled up, whatever, or just dump it in. 1 packet, this is, okay, so this is what's kind of got me thrown off, is the 1 package of Hidden Valley Original Ranch salad dressing and seasoning mix.
I know that
you can get that in the States because that.
Catherine. Well, I've seen lots of people, but Catherine's Plate has done a roast with that, and yeah, so
it's probably. I'm just not a huge ranch. Yeah, never have been.
Yeah, but I don't. You're not going to taste the ranch.
No, it's probably a different other flavors. And then taco seasoning and corn chips. Corn chips we're not going to add in until
they're a topping.
When the soup, it's a topping to go in the soup. But yeah, so so here we go. That's the meat. So I'm gonna add taco seasoning in now. It's supposed to be like 1 pack, but we just kind of, close enough, right? Normally we would, when we make tacos, we actually, when we cook the hamburger, we put a little bit of the taco seasoning in the hamburger, and then we add it in after, just, for the different flavoring. Don't drain any of these. Just, I would just recommend just.
Yeah, because it's that liquid is cool for the soup, right?
Yeah.
Does something smell good already, Brody? Yeah. We never drain our beans.
No, not when we're making
chili and stuff like that.
Chili and stuff.
What? Come here. You want to see what Daddy's making? See? Say hi, everybody. I needed to see what my daddy's making.
So as this cooks over the day, obviously we'll check for flavoring.
We'll just add a whole bunch more before we check for flavoring.
Well, there really isn't no set recipe.
No, it's just ingredients. I would just add the rest of that.
Well, I don't know how much is in there. I don't want to over. I think it's just 1 can anyways.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Hidden Valley Ranch.
I think it's called Mississippi pot roast, I think is what it's called when you, with that ranch.
Oh yeah?
I'll have to look it up, but I think so. We don't like roast done in the slow cooker.
No. Well, we could, like, it just takes sometimes if you don't do it right, it dries out. You need pot roast, but I just find that, yeah.
I like to brown it and do it in the oven. And, yeah.
So, it almost like a chili, honestly. Yeah.
Cool.
At first it's going to take like tacos. Okay. That is it. We got it on high. We're going to leave it on high most of the day because it'll take a little while to come up to temperature. That is it, and really, we'll bring you back when it's done. Anyways, we'll see you shortly. All right, soup is done.
Let's have a look.
Oh, it smells good. And honestly, it's kind of like Mexican chili. Yeah. Except for it tastes like tacos.
It's because it's taco soup.
I know what it's called.
Top it with some corn chips. I know a lot of people would probably do like cilantro, or we don't like cilantro. Even sour cream.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah.
Yum, yum. You're sure making a mess.
Yeah, well, I don't like shredding cheese like that.
Oh, well, I like it.
Well, I don't. Okay.
Look at that. Here's Brody. Say hi, Brody. Say hi. So you're just trying to get the cheese, aren't you, buddy? All right.
Here, buddy. Here you go.
Here's mine.
Oh, it looks good. All right. Get some corn chips in there. Cheese. Good.
Oh, and you were so unsure about that ranch.
I didn't say if I was unsure. Well,
Yes, you did.
No, I did. No, I didn't. I said I didn't know.
Exactly, you're unsure.
Exactly.
Here, I'll give it a try.
But not the way you describe unsure.
Real good.
Okay, that's it. That's it for the week. There is no more. Very short video this week. Yeah. Okay, anyways, join us again next week.